All right, guys, welcome to the Monday directions video. Finished with chapter 4 last week. We took the quiz right there. If you haven't taken it, go take it. It'll be deducted, but 70% is better than zero, as always. So we're moving on now to this new topic. It's the Rwandan genocide. And we're going to be spending a few weeks on that. It's pretty crazy. I'm sure you guys don't know too much about it. So to kind of help ease us in today, we're just going to read this article called The Intro to Genocide. And you guys will be able to kind of figure out what a genocide is, and you'll be able to kind of see how it's more of a world conflict issue where we see the United Nations always stepping in. A couple examples of genocide that you guys may know. The most obvious one and the most famous one is the Holocaust during World War II with Hitler and the Jews. That was a genocide where you're trying to literally exterminate an entire race of people. So that's one. We had the Armenian genocide in World War I. And then the more recent one in our world's history is the one in Rwanda in Africa. So you got this CRT here. It's pretty simple. I'll kind of just click on it here for you. So we have the article here. It's just explaining kind of what genocide is with the UN definition. It's going to kind of go through a couple examples. As you kind of go through here, I'm kind of just scanning through, and you'll be able to see the key points there. And because it's like a world issue, the United Nations, a lot of these people get brought up on crimes against humanity. That's kind of the big thing. So obviously keep an eye out for that. But today it's just kind of getting the basics of what a genocide is, what kind of encompasses it. And then your assignment is to have these questions answered on a separate Google Doc. It's pretty easy. There's just a few questions. The first one is, what was the main point of the article? The second one is list 3 important facts from the article. So you can list almost anything from the article because a lot of this stuff is going to be new to you. So just make sure you have 3 jotted down. 2 questions that you have after reading the article. And for this one, you don't have to do this question right here because we haven't really studied it yet. We are starting to. So skip this part right here. So all you're going to have is the name of the article on top, which will be the Intro to Genocide, CRT is what it's going to be called. The main point of the article, 3 facts you got out of the article, and 2 questions you have moving forward from the article. So today the goal is to get down what is genocide and kind of some background on it. And then tomorrow we're going to start to focus more on the Rwandan genocide. But that's all I have for now. If you have any questions, email me. I'll email you back as soon as I can. If you want to set up a individual Google Meet or like a Zoom meeting, let me know. We can make that happen. Other than that, guys, have a good day working, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.